Morning, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know if you guys have seen the documentary with that 50 Cent put out on Diddy, and I was watching it, but I fell asleep, but I've seen enough to say what I'm about to say. What I've seen in this documentary is that from childhood, growing up, all of what 50 Cent was doing is what he saw in his childhood, in his home, from growing up as a child. And his childhood friends, they were talking about it. And what I gather from it, a child live what they learn. And not all the time, but sometimes whatever they come out and put out in life as a man or woman is what they have, what they live and what they grow upon. And we can't blame them for putting out what they know. I'm not picking up for him, but sometimes these things stem from us as parents in the home, as adults. We have our children raising, and we do any and everything around them in plain sight. And these things are disturbing because when you pimping out, doing drugs, doing sexual things around children, and when they grow up in society and start displaying the same thing, then we same one as parents feel bad and saying we don't know why our children turn out like this, we don't know why they are doing this, why they are doing that. But have we stopped and think about back in our days while they were growing up, what were we doing to contribute what they are putting out there now? All of this is so sad. I've seen where the young lady was crying and she was saying that how he drugged her and raped her and videotaped her and have her in his house during parties playing. And when her parents reach out to his mother, and it was like nothing. It was like nothing. And then when she reached out to authorities, they asked her what she expect them to do. She asked them what she expect them to do. And it is really sad because the people who you go to for help, they turn you away because these people are celebrities. They are high up in society. So they push you as a low person to the side like a nobody. And it is really sad. And the worst part about it is this man come out and have done a lot of stuff, allegedly. And what I have gathered from all of this is that as parents, we need to be more rooted and grounded in raising our children, raising them up in an environment that will not affect them in days to come. Because these things that these people are doing affects others, and in the end return to affect them, because he is facing life imprisonment now, because at his age I don't think he'll be out of prison until death. And especially these things that have been said and shown what he was doing to people, I don't think he stand a chance of seeing back road. And I wonder how his mother feel knowing the fact that she raised him in such environment that affects him his whole entire life right now. So as parents, we need to, for the rest of us out here who are still growing children, let's try to raise our children in the best way possible, pleasing to God and pleasing to others, but first God. so that others can look up to us as parents and our children can be role models. Because what I'm seeing, what I'm seeing now, there's no role modeling about it. There's no goodness about it. And the things that he have done to people, it is really sad. And there was even a part that they said when he used to get beaten, she used to beat him hard. Nothing is wrong with scolding a child, because you sparing the rod and spoiling a child is nothing good. But she still didn't raise him in the right environment, because he still turned out to be a monster to society, to people. So we have to be steadfast in how we are raising our children now, moving forward, because this is not acceptable. This is not good on us as parents. We need to do better and see how best we can raise our children to the best of our abilities. Have a blessed day, guys.